G'day guys, welcome back to the Street Car Cultures YouTube channel. I'm here with Broomy. You guys would know him either from his own channel or the stuff he does from Full Boost. He saw what I was doing with my little budget project, and he was kind enough to sort of give me some of his old parts to help us out with the build.
I had this stuff lying around, and it's not doing much use underneath the house in my garage or at my property is, so put it to good use. I've been waiting to sort of donate actually to someone's project, and I saw this the other week, and I thought can't get much better than that. So local guy, so looking forward to see what it does. But in terms of content creation, what I do, I have just started recently a channel of my own, but a lot of you have probably seen the stuff that I've done on Full Boost. We've got project cars like this F350. I've got a project just beyond us, a 626 with a rotary in it. Got another one on the hoist that we can't show right now, but I've always done plenty of tech content in that. I've been in the industry for close to 20 years now, so I like to impart some of the knowledge and some of the things that I've learned from a lot of knowledgeable people, probably smarter than even I am when it comes to the mechanical stuff, and just help people out there that that are watching content, and if they can learn a little bit, then job done.
Yeah, that's perfect. So he's given me some injectors and fuel pump and stuff, but we'll pack it up, and then once we head back to my shed, I'll show you guys more in depth of what he's donated. And then we'll start stripping the motor that you would have seen me pull out last episode. So thanks again for having me down here.
No worries.
I appreciate it.
No warranty.
And I appreciate you helping me out with the build.
No warranty. It's a concrete warranty. Once it leaves the concrete, warranty over.
Nah, it's all good. I appreciate it, man.
Cool, all good.
Okay guys, we just got back from Broomys. You would have seen that we were hanging out there this morning, and he kindly donated some products and hardware for the budget Mazda build, which is awesome. But now it's time. You would have seen in the previous video that we pulled out the front wheel drive F2T configuration engine from the MX-6. It's currently in its front wheel drive configuration with the box, the shaft, the reverse intake and everything. I basically need to strip it down to a block, and then put all my rear wheel drive setup on it, and then start mocking it up to fit the wagon. So before we go any further, just another huge thanks to Broomy. It was awesome. It was awesome hanging out, and I appreciate the stuff he donated. Let's get into stripping this, taking the box off, stripping basically all the front wheel drive stuff that we're not using, and we'll go from there. Broomy had this old Chrome tool set lying around, so he donated it for me, but he left a 10mm out. Now, Broomy, did you do this as some sort of sick joke, leaving the 10mm out of the case? Because you should know that is bloody, you never do that. Alright guys, this is as far as we got today. I'm starting to run out of light, so I've got to start packing up and move this old girl in. We pretty much got the box off, left with the converter. I'm hoping I can reuse a converter and flex plate, but we'll have to see. And then next I've got to I'll pull the head, turbo and intake off as one hopefully, and I've got to pull that power steering pump off. But I think there's a few little hidden bolts that I have to work out. So we got the box off. Just got the motor sitting there for now till we come back to it. So basically, yeah, just to recap, we've got to pull the head off, the intake, all the turbo, the power steering. So pretty much all should be left is the block and the alternator. And then in a previous video you would have seen the rear wheel drive head getting done at Head Start Development. So once we get that back, we will hopefully convert it to rear wheel drive. So the main reason just to recap, the main reason I've had to swap heads is you see where the flex plate is and distributor, that's obviously the end of the block where my finger is. If you look, the front wheel drives, they have the dizzy that pops out way past. So if I was to install it with this, I'd have to cut a hole in the firewall for the distributor. And obviously, being a car I'm hoping to keep and not a drift car or a drag car or something, I don't really want to cut a hole in the firewall. So the new head pops the dizzy over here by memory, and then pops the where are we? Pops the thermostat over here. So on these ones, the thermostats are still at the back of the head due to the orientation. So the pipe sort of just comes around into the radio. So pops that at the front and pops the dizzy out the front. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the quick little vid we've done today. If you are enjoying the series, please do subscribe. Would appreciate it. It goes a long way. It's a simple click for you guys, but it does go a long way in helping us develop content in the future and supports our channel. So yeah, if you do enjoy the sort of unusual build I'm doing, converting a front wheel drive to a rear wheel drive motor and then popping it in this beast, then yeah, please do subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.